Quick hook, fridge not cooling. Let's check the inside. The dairy is cool, but not cold enough. The produce is the same. Definitely a problem. To check your temperature setting, look at the screen. Press the up or down buttons to adjust the temperature. A common mistake is not checking the mode. Use the mode button to switch between heat and cool as you need it. Over time, dust buildup on freezer coils reduces their ability to transfer heat. A simple cleaning restores efficiency, allowing the freezer to cool effectively again from overworking and using excess energy. First, always unplug the refrigerator. Now carefully tilt the fridge back to access the compressor. Set your multimeter to measure resistance. Test the start relay, and normal protecting means the parts are working. Hello, today we're looking at signs of low R600A refrigerant. First, the manifold gauge shows pressure below the normal range. Next, check the sight glass. Bubbles indicate low charge. Remember, only certified techs should handle R600A. First, remove the faulty fan assembly. Install the new fan assembly. Next, clean the dusty coils. Finally, adjust the coolest down. To check if your fridge is cooling, first grab an appliance thermometer. Place it on a middle shelf and close the door for 5 minutes. A safe temperature is 4 degrees Celsius or 40 degrees Fahrenheit.
Hi there, welcome to Fedback. Ready to check in?
Yes, thanks. Here's my code. Perfect, it's scanning now.
All set. It's for a refrigerator?
Yep, that's right.
You're all checked in.